Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel. And matagal-tagal ako hindi nakapag-video. Opo. Pero, today is very special kasi few years ago, itong challenge na to, ginawa namin siya kay Happy and kay Baby Ina. And now, ang dami ng kapatid ni Happy, gagawin ulit natin ang Patience Challenge sa mga anak ko, which is si Dodong at si Bebang. And let's see kung sino sa kanila ang papasa sa obedience test na ito. Na-excite na ako kasi sila yung tipo ng mga bata na pag nakakita ng pagkain, nam-nam! Ganun talaga. So, without further ado, tawagin na natin sila isa-isa. At first up, I see Beba. Go inside! Sit down here, sit down! Sit down, si Bebang, sit down! Sit down! Wow, may mga cake! Apa! Ay! Ay! No, no! Oh, no! Oh, no! Bebang!
Sabi wala na.
Wait lang!
Mami!
Oh, wait lang! Wait lang, Bebang! Wait lang! Bebang! Oh, wait lang! Wait! Look at Mami, okay? Bebang! Bebang! Wait lang ha! Huwag mo munang kakainin! Huwag! No muna, okay? Wait for Mami! Kukuha ako ng spoon, okay? Kukuha si Mami ng spoon. So, wait mo si Mami bumalik. Pagbalik ni Mami, tsaka tayo magnamnam, okay? Okay? O, wait mo si Mami ha? No, nam-nam. Bebang, wait muna ha? Wait! Wait mo si Mami. Huwag mo muna hahawakan. Huwag mo muna touch. Okay? Do not touch. No muna. No. Wait for Mami, okay? Kukuha lang ako ng spoon. Okay? Huwag mo hahawakan. O, dyan lang si Bebang, ha? Wait mo si Mami. Dyan lang muna yan. Wait mo si Mami, okay? Kukuha lang si Mami ng spoon. Ang mic. O, yung mic ni Mami. O, sige. O, wait mo si Mami, okay? Kuha ako ng kutsara. Huwag mo hahawakan.
Daddy. Mami. Daddy.
Inalaw mo ba, Bebang? Hala! Sabi ni Mami sa'yo, huwag mo munang kakainin. Sabi ko, wait mo si Mami, diba? Hala, what happened to your hands? Nag-iwan ka ng ebidensya. Nakita na kinuha mo yung cake. Oh, no. At dahil dyan, nag-fail si Bebang sa test. Wala akong mahanap na kutsara. Hindi ko mahanap kung nasan yung kutsara. Oo, paano tayo kakain yan ngayon? Oh. Paano yan? Ang daming kain. Sige, Mami. Gusto mo yan? Sige, tikman mo na. Gusto ba yun ni Bebang? Oh. Yummy cake! Yummy. Penge ako. Yummy cake! You want more? Sige, kuha ka pa. Sarap ng yummy cake. Yummy cake. Isa pa. Sige, kuha ka pa. Kuha ka lang. Yummy cake! Ano gusto ni Bebang? Kuha ka ng cake na gusto mo. Sige, kuha ka ng yummy cake. Ayan ang gusto mo. Yummy cake! Sarap! Wow! Sit down, sit down, sit down! Sit down, sit down! Oh my God, what's that?
Daddy.
Don't touch! No touching! Dodong, do you wanna eat cake? You wanna blow the cake with the candle? Ay, ganun pala yun. Okay, do you wanna eat cake?
Yay!
Okay, sit down, okay? Dodong, look at me. Hey, look at mommy. Huwag mo munang i-eat yung cake. Do not touch the cake, okay? Wait mo si Mami. Kukuha si Mami ng kutsara. Mommy's gonna get the spoon. Okay po? Okay?
Okay.
Okay. O, wait mo si Mami, ha? Do not touch the cake. No touching. You wait for Mami. So, when Mami comes back, we will eat the cake. Okay po?
Whatever.
Okay. O, wait mo si Mami. Kukuha ako ng spoon so we can eat the cake. Okay, wait lang. No touching. Wait for Mami. Bye-bye. I'll be back. No touching, okay? O, wait mo si Mami.
Cake. 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 Daddy.
Oh, no. Oh, no.
Oh no, what happened? It's okay.
Ouch.
You don't like?
Ouch.
Okay. Oh. Sensory issues. Ayaw niya yung feeling. You wanna wash hands?
Listen.
Okay, wash hands tayo.
Grabe! As you can see, oh my God. RIP sa mga cakes natin kay Dodong kasi grabe, nag-e-explore siya ng sensory niya. Tinitignan niya yung texture. And nakita niyo naman, bugbog na tong isang cake natin. Well, yung kanya-kanya nilang challenge, nakadepend kasi talaga kung ilang taon sila. Like si Bebang, for example, 1 pa lang si Bebang, si Dodong naman 2 pa lang. Ngayon, ito ang pinakamatinding challenge. Let's try kung kakayanin nilang dalawa na sumunod. And let's see kung anong magiging reaction nila. Kaya let's go.
Hey! Oh, sit down muna, sit down. Wait for the toys. Sit down. Down. Oh, sit down na. Okay, sit down, okay? Oo, sit down kayong dalawa. Oh, sit dito, Dodong, other side.
Cake.
Wait, okay? Wait for Okay, wait.
Apple. Cake. Cake. Cake.
Oh, wait. Don't touch the cake. Okay? Wag mo na hawakan yung cake. Wait for Mommy. No touching the cake. Oh, wait. Wait mo si Mommy, okay? O, Dodong, wait for Mommy. Don't touch, okay? Ayan na, ayaw na ni Dodong ng cake kasi nasusuka na daw siya. Ayaw talaga niya. Naalala niya yung nangyari kanina. So, at dahil dyan, si Bebang kailangan kakain ng cake. Oh, you can eat cake na.
Oh, wait lang. Picture muna.
Picture na picture! Wow!
Di-
Cake!
Paano namin patingin niya?
O, paano mag-eat ng cake? Yummy! Yummy cake ba?
Mine.
More? You can have more.
Mm.
It's okay. Yummy cake!
Mom. Daddy.
Wow!
Up! Joke lang. Eat si Bebang! Eat na nam. Give mo ba si Daddy? Give mo si Daddy? Daddy ako. Daddy. Ganito. Give mo si Daddy Daddy. Give mo kay Daddy to.
At dito ko natatapusin tong video na to kasi si Dodong ay nagkaroon ng sensory issues dahil ayaw niya talaga yung mga malalagkit and we're still working on that sensory issue. Kaya, ang natira sa atin ngayon ay si Bebang at kita nyo naman na imbes na obedience or patience challenge ay naging mukbang na po ang video. Sarap na sarap si Bebang. Is it yummy, Bang? Yummy? Ay, ang sarap talaga. Well, anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video as much as we did. And comment down below kung... comment down below on what did you... Comment down below kung ano pang gusto nyo makita from us. And we'll see you on our next video. Don't forget to like, share, comment down below, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And see you guys. Bye-bye! Say bye-bye!
Bye-bye.
Say we love you guys!
Brush.
Love you guys! Say love you guys!
Kiss mo sila. Ngusok mo sila.
Kiss mo na sila. Umuso mo na sila. Umuso.
Ay, ngusok. Uy, camera! Say we love you guys!
Bye.
Sobrang kulit mo.
Sarap naman yung Bebang. Balik siya sa pagkain. Babalik siya sa pagkain niya. Hindi siya hihinto. Bye-bye! Wave goodbye na!
Thank you for watching, guys.